Yo, man, it was amazing meeting you. Yeah.
So, man.
Yeah, man. See you, Mike. Alright, man. Yeah. David, amazing meeting you. Also, could I just get an autograph? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Kshitij. This is my vlog channel. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You spank it, smash it, demolish it before we begin today's video. The last video that I made, जिसमें Big Buddha के सामने में बैठा हुआ था, me and Amin were talking. I told you guys about how I met David Bond in Thailand, and I wanted to make a video about that. Also on top of that, जब मैंने Instagram पे stories वगैरह post करी थी, तो वो उस time पे बहुत सारे लोगों के message आए थे, oh my god bro, you're meeting David Bond or all that stuff. And at that time we had posted a lot of stories. So वो जो stories थी, they were a bit crazy, and people were like, bro, is this for real? So flashback onto those stories. See, that's what I'm saying. Like 19-year-old girls might be better looking, but then the 25 ones have the physicality going up, like the matureness level.
Yeah. Listen. 19-year-old girls are great. You just got to remove that one.
What?
Dude, and then it's I'm telling you, like, don't judge me.
25-year-old.
Dude, Muhammad's wife was 6. I can fuck a 9-year-old girl. Okay? Don't judge my religious beliefs. Fucking Islamophobe.
What are you, Trump?
Pedophilia. Whatever.
Yo, man, it was amazing meeting you. Yeah.
So, man.
Yeah, man. See you, Mike. Alright, man. Yeah. David, amazing meeting you. Also, could I just get an autograph before I leave?
Yeah, no problem. It was cool meeting you, and I just thought,
Seriously?
you know what? You get in the house, you listen to the Apple jokes, it's bullshit. It's so stupid.
Alright, see you, David. See you, man. Cheers, boys. Fuck yeah, this is kind of fucking weird. I want to meet him. I'm like, क्या ही चल रहा है? अजीब सा ही थोड़ा है यार ये बंदा. What the fuck? Yes, so that's a flashback to the story. That's what happened between us at that time, and you guys must be thinking कि यार क्या सीन हो रहा है. और काफी लोगों के मैसेज आए कि ब्रो ये बंदा इतना चूतिया है, क्या सीन है, असली में ये सब हो रहेगा. So I just wanted to tell you guys that it wasn't real. All of the videos and all the stories that we posted up on Instagram at that time were scripted. They were pre-planned, and we just wanted to create some jokes. And there were a couple of videos that he also put up on his Instagram. And it was just a great experience meeting him at that time. And then he introduced me to one of the guys whose videos I've been watching for a long time. So because we were chilling at his place, we were just talking about a lot of stuff. और इतनी सारी बातें कर के बार what happened was he was just like, okay man, I'm gonna make a video of yours, and he just made the video and then he sent it to the said person that I'm talking about right now. So I got connected to that guy as well, and like a lot of things happened on this Thailand trip, and just meeting David Bond like that, काफी सही scene. That was a great fucking experience. The initial plan was that we were just meeting for dinner, and then how that came to happen, I'm gonna tell you guys about that as well, because some of you might be looking to meet up with people who are who somebody who like influencers, if you must say, because मेरे को भी काफी messages आते हैं लोगों के that bro ऐसे लोगों से तू कैसे मिलता है, it's so cool. And frankly speaking, I've never done any kind of outreach before this. मैंने किसी को कभी मैसेज भेजी नहीं networking या किसी चीज के लिए. I'm good at cold approach pickup, but this online networking पहले तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आया कि यार क्यों मैसेज करना है, मिलना ही क्यों है, क्या ही फायदा होगा उससे नेटवर्क से अपना नेटवर्क बढ़ा के, because जो भी काम करना है at the end of the day मुझे ही करना है. It doesn't matter what kind of network I have if I'm not putting in the work. Similarly, when I was texting David, I had first texted him like a couple of months back, where on YouTube I saw his video where उसका plan था that he might be coming to India. So I texted him that bro, whenever you're in India, like I love to take you around and this and that, and I've got my shit going on here, so we could like literally hang out. तो फिर उतनी बात हुई थी, and he was just replying in like one word or like one line sentences. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा था, and I was like, okay cool. Anyway यार मैं क्या ही बोलूँगा, like what is it that I even want from him? And frankly speaking, it was nothing that I wanted from him. And then when I planned my trip for Thailand, it was a big coincidence that we were in Thailand at the same place at the same time. So we were texting back and forth. उतनी ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं हुई थी हमारी. और फिर full moon party के next day I was at Koh Phangan and he was at Koh Samui. So I was like, bro, I'll come down to Koh Samui. उसने बोला ठीक है, sure. But then when I reached there, he was like, bro, I'm really tired today. I'm not sure if we can meet. So I just eased off the pressure because I was being pushy, and frankly speaking, there was no agenda to the meeting, because anytime you're meeting someone, there is some fucking agenda. And then while texting also ना मैं खुद से ही पूछ रहा था यार मेरे को मिलना क्यों है, साला क्या मिलेगा. और अमीन भी बोल रहा था तुझे मिलना क्यों है इस बंदे से, साले ठीक है इसके YouTube subscribers वगैरह हैं. So I was like, I don't know bro, like it's nothing that I want from him. It's not like I want to collab as well. Like if that's gonna happen sometime, it's okay, but it's not something that I'm looking for even. Like अगर कोई मेरे को बोलेगा bro collab कर लेते हैं, I'm be like okay cool sure, but that wasn't my number one priority. It was just I don't know, I just wanted to meet someone, or maybe it was like कि पहली बार I was traveling outside the country and first time I was meeting someone who was in pickup himself, and that was just it. And then at the time when जब मुझे लगा कि he's not that keen, so I was like, bro, kind of like, you know, frankly speaking, there's nothing that I want from you, and it's not that I specifically want any pickup knowledge from you कि मैं मिलूंगा, I want to pick on your brain or something, because frankly speaking, when I get all of these messages that, bro, I want to pick on your brain, I want to interview you, मेरे को तेरे से मिलना है, I saw your videos, I'm a big fan, you won't know this, but your videos are amazing, उन्होंने बहुत help किया है. Not to be cocky or anything, but anybody who's been making videos, they know that those videos are helping people and they're good because of all the comments and everything that we receive all the time. So it just gets burdening जब इतने सारे messages आते रहते, बढ़ते रहते. And David Bond having like 300,000 subscribers, flooded with messages, I'm pretty sure. So I'm like, bro, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए. Just frankly speaking, just wanted to hit up with you. And if you're tired, I totally understand that. You can go off to sleep. मैं anyway Koh Samui में, I'm on a holiday, I'm going to enjoy. But if you can make it, just let me know. My friends might be smoking tonight, so you could come over as well. I'm not sure if you smoke or not, but let me know अगर वो है. So he read that message and he's like, okay, cool, ठीक है, chill बंदा होगा, because I just eased off all the pressure, and he's like, let's meet. So we met, and वहाँ पे जाके मैंने उसे, you know, like we were just talking, and I told him this, that I'm so bad at texting, like so bad at networking with people. I'm just texting you, and I don't even know, like frankly speaking, I have no idea why I want to meet you. So क्या होता है, anytime you're meeting someone या किसी से भी तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए, या like, you know, you're asking for it, right? Even a meetup isn't asked for you, so you should be giving something back in return. So I thought about it, what does this guy want? So I could come up with things like, you know, since he's been shooting videos, I could help him shoot videos. मैं अपना camera gear के साथ travel कर रहा हूँ, I could help him shoot his infields or show him around when he comes to India, all of that stuff. So I met him, I told him all of this, bro, you know, like frankly speaking, there wasn't really any point to like this meetup, and I was feeling like I'm just being so fucking pushy, and this is what my followers and my subscribers do to me, and मेरे को अजीब सा लग रहा होता है. So I was trying to put myself in your place and try to see what is it that you'd want to want, but ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. And then I asked him, what made you decide to, you know, say yes, because you're pretty burned out, and even then you came out and you met with me. So he's like, bro, I saw your profile, it wasn't like some random guy जिसकी कोई photos नहीं है. I saw that you had some decent amount of following, you had some pictures put up, you were making videos as well, and you had sent me also a couple of your videos, and you were into pickup, and you're an Indian, so I've always been fascinated with the culture in India, the dating culture, and a lot of things in India. So it's just fascinating to meet someone like that, and because of your pictures and everything were there, like I could trust you, this guy's not going to murder me because I've received some death threats. And then meeting up with like-minded people is also something that I'm interested in. So that's what he said to me, quote unquote, कि ये सारी चीजें, which is why I decided that it's okay to meet you. And also because now at this point, as I get older, I want more friends. So this wanting more friends thing is something that I've also been working on for myself, and something that I've been looking into, and something that I've spoken about in the previous vlogs as well. So I could really relate to that. And then it was supposed to be just a half an hour का meeting कि हम जाके बैठ रहे हैं, हम dinner वगैरह कर रहे हैं. But then once we started talking, we started hitting it off. काफी सारी common चीजें थी. We started talking about the camera gear. I showed him my bag, और फिर बात हो रही थी, full moon party की बात हो रही थी, इंडिया की बातें हो रही थी. And then after that, इतनी देर बात करने के बाद आधे घंटे की जगह वो 1 घंटा हो गया. 1 घंटे बाद we were getting out, and he's like, bro, you gotta come with me. I'm gonna take you to my hotel. Technically pulled me back to his hotel room, और वहाँ पे जाके he's like, I'm gonna make you meet this other friend of mine, and I need to show you my GoPro and other stuff that I've been up to. So I was like, great fucking stuff. वहाँ पे गए, वहाँ पे जाके बातें कर रहे थे, बैठे हुए थे, chill कर रहे थे. So what was supposed to be a half an hour meeting ended up becoming a 4-hour thing where I got pulled to some guy's hotel room, और उस टाइम पे it's just like, you know, baby step करते 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 हो गया था चीजें. So one thing, एक चीज तो यार गेम से सीखने में ये काफी सही हो ही गया है कि whenever I meet someone, if it's like a 15-minute, 20-minute, half an hour thing, if the guy does not have any commitment after that, usually by having that amazing conversation with me, क्योंकि मैं इतना बकचोदी में इतनी fun vibe दे रखा होता हूँ उसमें, they really start enjoying it because finally they're meeting someone who's not sucking onto their energy and just leeching value out of them. That was just how it was. And coming back to the part of talking about the Indian culture, that was also something very fascinating which I was telling him कि India में बहुत सारी arranged marriage का concept है, and then that's something I personally don't agree with. Arranged marriage is like one of the worst things ever, which is why Indians really suck at dating. और इसके ऊपर ना मेरे को videos बनानी है, you know, fuck arranged marriage and fuck the dating scene in India. It's like so fucking fucked up, and specifically the way women are treated here. They're always like, you know, थोड़ा beneath ही रहता है, and it's just not cool to go up to someone and just have a conversation. Just fucking that don't talk to strangers thing. This is just so fucking weird. इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं वहाँ पे. So we got talking about that, and then another thing which came up in the conversation, which has been there in the pickup community, was this discussion about men hitting their prime when they reach their late 30s or early 40s, and then women hitting their prime in their 20s. What I mean here is that the way हमारी value जो dating scene में होती है, it's called the sexual market value in the dating community. We being men, women look at us on more of like personality traits, like assertiveness, like ambitiousness, sense of humor, कि एक बंदा काम क्या कर रहा है, is he fun to hang around with, is he sucking value or is he giving value, sort of all those traits. But when we men, we're like shallow beings. Okay, when we look at women, it's more about their physical traits. So which is why physical traits are amazing in their 20s, and men get their more personality traits as in when they get more older and they start seeing more success, which is by the late 30s or early 40s में. इसकी वजह से this idea of a 25-year-old guy marrying a 23-year-old girl is just fucking flawed, because a woman is in her prime at that time. उसका prime almost cross हो गया है, and that is when her values kind of going down in the dating scene per se. But men, because in the 20s they're just starting out, they're just living life. वो अपनी life start ही हो रहे हैं अभी late 20s में, and then 30s में they're still building it up. By the end of their 30s and early 40s is when men hit their prime. That is the best time, because वो उस time पे एक बंदा अपनी peak पे होता है. So let's say once a guy reaches 35 to 40 years की age, that is the perfect time for him to get married. And of course, because वो उसका prime time है, वो उसका peak time है, he should be getting married to a girl जिसका peak time is obviously around let's say 21, 22 से 25 की age में. 25 के बाद physical traits start going down. Another argument could be made here that this is a very very shallow thing that we're talking about, but this is how the dating scene works. Majority में 90% of the time यही होता है. But if you're more spiritual, you don't only look for physical traits, you look for more personality traits as well. And उस scene में you might want to get married to someone who's had that much experience and जिसके साथ तुमने ज़्यादा time बिताया हुआ है. A woman who's going to be 21 years of age is going to have more ADD. She's going to be more riding the train of validation than someone who's like 30, who's lived her decade, पूरा 20s उसने जी लिया है, and she's got some work going. She's just more mature as a woman. That's one of the discussions and arguments that we were having. And then maybe आगे जाके whenever he comes to India, I'm going to be inviting him here into the office, and he wanted to talk about the Indian dating culture, because that's something that he was very fascinated about. And by talking to him about the American culture and the other things of all of his travel experiences, that's some new learnings that I had as well. काफी सही से सीन था उसमें. And that's going to be the vlog for today, guys. I hope you guys like the vlog, just something new that you learned. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Spank it, smash it, demolish it. And I'm gonna see you soon, hopefully this week, because for the next couple of weeks we're uploading 2 videos every week. Peace.